Good morning everyone, I am Hashan Nanayapar. Today I thought of doing some subtraction on mixed numbers and proper fractions. This is our part 9 of the main topic, fractions. Okay, let's start. Fractions part 9. Subtraction of mixed numbers and proper fractions. Subtraction of mixed numbers and proper fractions. Under this first question, 2/1/5 minus 1/5. There are two methods to solve this sum, but I prefer to use the method we've learned so far, that is converting mixed numbers into an improper fraction. So this is according to this mixed number. To convert it as an improper fraction, first we have to keep the denominator the way it is, and numerator means denominator times the whole number plus numerator. So 5 times 2 is 10 and 1 11 minus 1/5. So here answer is 10 out of 5. This is an improper fraction. We can't keep it as an improper fraction. So we have to divide 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means 2. 2 is the answer here. When we divide, 10 is a multiple of 5 and 5 is a factor of 10. So when we divide 10 by 5, answer is 2. Second question. Suppose a question like this. 3/1/3 minus 1/2. Again we have to convert these into improper fraction, because we can't, otherwise we are in trouble in subtracting such mixed numbers. So what we have to do is we have to convert these into improper fractions. Denominator stays the same. 3 times 3 is 9 and 1. 10 minus 3 times 1, 3 and 2. 5/3. 10 minus 5, 5/3. Now we have to convert this into a mixed number, because final answer we can't keep it as an improper fraction. So 5 divided by 3 means 3 times 1, 3, 2. So here divisor means the denominator, remainder is the numerator, and whole number is the quotient. So this is the answer. Next question. Suppose a question like this. 4/1/5 minus 2/3/10. Okay, different denominators, but before that we have to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So 5 times 4 is 20 and 1. 21/5 minus 10 times 2, 20 and 3, 23. Now we have to convert these into, we want the common denominator. 10 is a multiple of 5, or 5 is a factor of 10. So what we have to do is we can straight away take 10 as the common denominator, because 10 is divisible by 5. And 10 means 5 times 2. So 2 times 21 means 42 minus how many tens in 10? 1. So 1 times 23, 23. So here answer is 19 out of 10. Improper fraction. So we have to convert it into a mixed number. 10 times 1. So 1 is the quotient, which is the whole number. 9 means the remainder, and 10 is the divisor. So this is the answer here. Another question. Suppose a question like this. Seven out of 1/3 minus 5 out of 2/5. Okay, different denominators, and 5 is not a multiple of 3. So we have to try these common denominator. I mean the division method of prime. We have to try the prime factorization. 3 and 5. This prime factor is 2. Both are not divisible by 2. So next, this prime factor is 3. 1 and 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. So we have to keep the 5 the way it is. Next prime factor is 5. We keep the 1 the way it is 1. Until it is 1, 1. We have to keep on dividing by prime factor. So here 3 times 5 is least common denominator. Answer is 15. Okay, but before that we have to convert this into improper fraction. 7 times 3, 21 and 1, 22 out of 3, minus 5 times 5, 25 and 2, 27 out of 5. Now we have to convert it into least common denominator. 15, 3 means 5, 5 times 22 and 5 means 3 5s. 5 times 22 means 110, check and see. 27 times 3 means 81. 10, 1, 9, 10, 8, 2, so it is 29 out of 50. Now we have to check, we have to convert this into mixed number. So 15, 15 times 1, 15 and 40. So here answer is 1, 14 out of 50. Okay, I won't explain this much because I have done enough explanation in previous sessions. So better keep the methods in mind. Next question. Okay, 7 1/3 minus, 7 1/4 minus 1 5 6. As other sums, first we have to convert these to improper fractions. 4 times 7, 21 and 8, 29 out of 4 minus 6 times 1, 6 and 5, 11. Now 6 and 4 are different denominators and 6 is not a multiple of 4. So we have to try the least common denominator. Both are divisible by 2, hence it is 2 and 3. Again least prime factor is 2, 2, 1, 3, then by 3 next 1, 1. Okay. First we have to divide 4 and 6 by least prime factor, which is 2. Then we get 2 and 3. 3 is not divisible by 2, but 2 itself is divisible by 2. So again we have to divide it by least prime factor. So we get 1 and 3. We won't divide 3 by 2, and because according to this division method we don't divide it by 2. So we keep the 3 the way it is. Then we get 1 and 3. Then we have to divide it by the next prime factor, which is 3. Hence it is 1 and 1. So our least common denominator is 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Now we have to take 12 as the common denominator. How many 4? 3 4. So it is 3 times 12. How many 6s? 2. So this 2. So it will be 9 times 3, 27. 2 is there. 3 times 2, 6 and 2, 87. 9 times 3, 27. 2, 3 times 2, 6 and 2, 20. Minus 22. So answer here is 65 out of 12. Now we have to divide 65 by 12. 12 times 5 is 60. 5 5 is the remainder and denominator is 2 and whole number is 1. The final sum for the day, final sum for the session. One fourth plus 2.5 minus 1.75. Okay. First of all, we have to convert these into improper fractions. Okay, like this. So it will be 4 times 1, 4 and 1. 5 over 4 plus 2 times 2, 4 and 1, 5 over 2 minus 4 times 1, 4 and 3, 7 over 4. Okay, now we have actually two denominators, 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4. Even though there are two 4s, our denominators means 2 and 4. And we know we can make 2 or 4 by multiplying this by 2. So we can take 4 as common denominator. How many 4s? 1 4, 1 times 5, 5. How many 2s? 2 2s. 2 times 5, 10. How many 4s again? 1. So it will be 7. Okay, first we can straight away do the addition and subtraction straight away. So it will be 15 minus 7 divided by 4, that means 8 over 4, answer is again. First we have to convert mixed numbers to improper fraction, and we can do the addition and subtraction both straight away. And there is a 4, there is a 2 in denominator, so we can make 2 or 4. There are 2 4s, so if we can make 2 or 4, definitely we can sort out this question. So we can take 4 as the common denominator. How many 4? 1 4, 1 times 5, 5. How many 2s? 2 2s, 2 times 5, 10. 1 4 is here, 1 times 7, 7. 5 and 10, 15 minus 7, answer is 8 over 4 means 2. So 2 is the final answer. That's it for today. Thank you very much.